Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can send image to backward, forward or front. So how to do that? Just check it here. So you can see here, this is the image. We want this image on font. So to do that, we'll simply click on that particular image. So whatever image, just select that, okay, and we will click right click, okay, here right click, and then you can see here bring to front, okay, bring forward or send to back. So we will select bring to front. Now we will got the image on front. So in this way you can play with the picture. Again, if you want to send to backward, you send it to backward, okay. Now I want front, done. So in this way you can do editing tasks when it's come to backward, front or forward. So thank you so much. Meet you in the next lesson. For now, bye bye.